Namaste students, this is class 5 computer science. Chapter 5 learn to use MS Excel 2007 session 1. Before we start the lesson, small recap. PowerPoint presentation, slides, slideshow, install themes, install templates, views, slide layouts. PowerPoint presentation. What is presentation? Yes, a presentation is a structured delivery of information. It is a systematic display of information along with graphics, animation and sound that are displayed together on the screen. Slides, electronic page in a presentation. Slideshow, on-screen presentation. Yes, the slides over. After that, what we have to do? Yes, the presentation over. At last, we have to see the slideshow, on-screen presentation. Install themes. Install themes are the set of pre-designed format of text, color schemes and graphics effects. Yes, need not create. It is already pre-designed. We have to click. That's all. Click to add. Next, install templates. Template is a general term used for pattern, which remains the same throughout the presentation. All the slides have the same background you select. Yes. See, the installed templates are the saved presentation, which include different themes and layouts that helps to do our work quickly and easily. Next, views. There are 3 views: normal, slide sorter, slideshow view. Normal view is the one that you work with most of the time. Yes, in normal view, we can add text, pictures and create notes. Normal view again contains 2 more options. One is outline view and slideshow view. Slides view. Slides view, it shows one slide at a time. Yes, in this view, you see each slide in detail and can also work with pictures and diagrams on it. But outline view, it allows working with the text. Yes, only we have to type the text. We need not add pictures, graphics. But slideshow, slides, we can add text and then graphics, animation also. Slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, we see all the slides in the presentation at the same time in miniature form. Yes, now we completed 5 slides. The 5 slides we are able to see in one screen. Yes, slide sorter view. Next is slideshow view. The slideshow view is used for giving on-screen presentation. Yes, at last, a presentation over, what we have to do? Click F5. This is, yes, on-screen presentation, slideshow. If you click the F5, the slideshow automatically will work. Yes, from the beginning or current slide. From current slide. Whatever icon needful, we can click from slideshow tab. Slide layout. What is layout, ma? Layout is the method of arranging things or objects on a slide. Yes, types of slide layout. There are title slide, section header, comparison, blank, picture with caption, title and content, to content, title only, content with caption. Have to select any one. Now, we are going to see the new lesson. Learn to use MS Excel 2007. MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel all belongs to Microsoft Office. Yes, Microsoft Office package. Yes, Word is used for creating document. MS PowerPoint creating presentation. MS Excel is a grid sheet, spreadsheet made up of rows and columns. It's like a table. Okay, grid sheet. See, no need to create table. Already it's a grid format only. Just you type the format. Yes, type the data and information. Students, we have seen a list of items in the tabular form several times. Yes. For example, the bills you receive from shops, the annual report card received from school, the scoreboard of a cricket team. These tables with rows and columns are called spreadsheet. Whatever bill we received from shops, everything we should call spreadsheet. Yes. Microsoft Office Excel. Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Microsoft Office Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program which allows you to create professional spreadsheets and charts performing calculations, and it's also used for analysis. Yes, Microsoft Office Excel can also function as a simple database program. The spreadsheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. The spreadsheets look like a table. It's made up of rows and columns. A row heading is 1, 2, 3, all in numbered. Column heading all in names A, B, C, D, like that. Yes, there are 10,48,576 rows. Columns we have 16,384. In 2007 Excel we have 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. I mean XFD. The columns mentioned in A, B, C, D, like that. After Z, A, B, A, C, like that. Okay, up to XFD. The small box, the rectangular box, we should call cell. Yes, the dark cell, we should call active cell, selected cell. Yes, the default active cell A1. The cell name we mention A1. Yes, first we have to take column name A, and then row number is 1. The cell name is called A1. Each and every cell has name. How we have name, like that the cell also we represent heading, column heading A and row heading 1, like that. A1, A2, B1, B2, like that. This is called cell reference. Yes. Next, single cell we should call active cell, single selected cell. The group of cell, range of cell. What we have to call range of cell. Yes, the spreadsheet mainly we used for creating bills. Yes, it's used for bills. Yes, the word spreadsheet came from spread in its sense of newspaper or magazine item that covers two facing pages, extending across the center fold and treating the two pages as a single large page. Yes, the newspaper how we fold, but we have 4 pages. The large sheet we have to fold. Okay, see, like that the spreadsheet name came from newspaper. Yes, spreadsheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. The spreadsheet only we should call worksheet. Yes, worksheet. The overall Excel we should call workbook. Each workbook we have 3 sheets. One sheet has 10,48,576 rows. Yes, columns 16,384. 16,384 columns. Yes, there are 3 sheets. One sheet has 10,48,576 rows. How to start MS Excel? Yes, start all program Microsoft Office Excel. Otherwise, go to desktop, right click, MS Office Excel. Yes, right click MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, like that only. Okay, click the desktop, empty area, right click MS Excel. This is Excel screen, book 1. This is workbook 1. Yes, default name book 1, title bar, book title bar. Look at here, book 1. So default name, we can change the name also. Next, menu bar, file menu, home menu, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. Next, ribbons, formatting, we used for formatting the fonts, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, everything. See, look at the spreadsheet. A, B, C, D, these all columns. 1, 2, 3, up to 10,48,576. Rows, yes, all mentioned in numbers. There are 3 sheets. The workbook contains 3 worksheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. View buttons also there. The same method. The PowerPoint presentation, whatever we see, that same method. Normal view, yes. For default name, normal view. Zoom slider. We have to zoom the screen. The FX is a formula bar. Top of the column heading, we have A1. That is name box. See, whatever cell you select, automatically the name of the cell will present on the name box. The nearby we have formula bar. We have to enter the formula there, okay? Next, formatting. After typing the names, we have to give colors. Yes, format, bold, italic, underline, or we can change the style of the text, and then size, everything we have to change. And then cell color also we can give, text color also we can give using this font tab. Next, look at here, the active cell, the middle of active cell we have plus sign. No, this is mouse pointer. Yes, and the corner we have dark plus. This is full handle, we should call full handle, okay? The normal plus we should call mouse pointer. Yes, this plus sign we can drag the cell. Yes, we can drag, we can select the cell. It is used for, we can select the cell. Now the name of the cell is D5. How we call the cell name? A1, A2, B1, B2, like that. Now selected D, selected 5. The cell name is D5. It will be displayed on the name box, D5. Yes. Look at here, the clear picture is here, rows and column. The name of the row and column, F8. The cell name is F8. Yes. The selected F column, selected 8 row number is 8. Then the cell name is called F8. The active cell name is F8. Next, this range of cell, group of cell. Yes, single cell, active cell, selected cell, but group of cell, range of cell. Yes. Next is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 is there. Now default we get 3 sheets. Each and every worksheet we have 3 sheets. See, you need more than 3. You can select near that new worksheet. See, near the sheet 3, new worksheet. See, how many units, you can just click, automatically it will be added. Sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, like that. Next, insert. Same method we used in MS Word now, creating table, like that. Select the row, right click, insert cell, insert sheet row, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. Okay, everything available on the insert tab. Same method, delete option also available. See, the delete option, have to select delete cells or delete row or delete columns or delete sheets. Next, see, already I said the spreadsheet is very simple, very easy to use. For example, if you type in January, automatically keep the cursor at corner that is circled. Yes, circled place you have to keep the cursor, drag it. Automatically the February, March, April, everything will be present on the screen. Yes, need not type February, March, April. Automatically it will be come. Yes, using this fill handle. The number also, you are using number 1, 2, 3. Just to type number 1 in one cell. Just to drag the fill handle. Yes, use fill handle, just drag the mouse. Using control key. Control key at the same time you have to press. At the same time dragging the mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that number will come. Okay. See the number. No need to type again and again. 1, 2, 3. Automatically it will be come using this fill handle. Yes. Not only 1, 2, 3. Then roll number. Any numbers you can give. Automatically it will become next number. Not only January, February, Sunday, Monday also you able to do like this. This is used for formatting. Already I told this is used for formatting. BIU. Yes. Font color, color palette, and changing font size. Everything is available on the font group. Save button. Yes, the presentation over. We type everything. The data we created. At last, what we have to do? Save. Control plus yes. Otherwise, go to File tab. Click the Save or Save As. Okay. First time you are saving, you have to give Save. Okay. Say automate. Then you are include some data information or you want to edit something. At last, again you have to give Save As. What you have to do? Left side we click first desktop, then file name. Yes, you can give any name and then give save. Before saving you have to give .xls. It will be saved on the Excel format. Okay. Small review. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as a worksheet. A computer spreadsheet is also known as an electronic spreadsheet. Yes, the MS Excel document is called workbook. The workbook inside we have 3 sheets. How we have our book? Yes, computer book. This is called workbook. Yes, each and every pages we should call sheet. Like that, in the Excel also, each and every pages we should call sheet. Worksheet. Yes, default we get 3 sheets. We can need more 1 or 2, you can add. Yes. Workbook. An Excel document is called workbook. Cells. Cells are the boxes created by the intersection of rows and columns. Active cell, already I told, the cell which is with a dark boundary around it is called active cell. Otherwise we should call selected cell. Range of cells. A group of neighboring cells that touch each other is called the range of cells. I hope students you all understand this topic. Next session we will continue the same and then practical also. Okay. Thank you students. Happy learning. Keep learning.